So it is February 8th, 2022. Hey Mom, what's today's date?
I don't know.
It's the 8th, right? Oh, there. Doesn't matter. Yeah, one of my sisters made bacon in the kitchen today, and the whole house, like, it's really concentrated still in the kitchen. And I don't want my amino acids absorbing it and getting, stuck in the Ziploc bags or anything like that. So the plant-based amino acids, I don't know how sensitive they are to, animal protein in the air. I don't know the science behind that necessarily completely, but I like the idea of no contaminants. This nice lemon there, see. You should have just gotten caught with the citrus juice, sir. Would have saved a lot of time. But who would it had saved a lot of time? Just like I was saying to my sister the other day, they should write a definition for those who still have to take out trash out of their house, beyond their property. To be similar to that of the orthorexic definition of how, preparing a healthy meal takes the same amount of time for some people. One's more important than the other when you're living with more than one person in the household. Oh, God. Anyways, or if you can hire someone, you know what I mean? Eventually. It's like Cyberry. Oh, look at that. Nice Cyberry. I like that the goji berry stuff now. There we go. The goji berry powder. It's good. See that on camera. A romantic murder mystery. Yeah, we heard sounds from the neighboring apartment. Actually, that's not the smartest idea because, yeah, good thing that the sharp part wasn't really hitting the plastic. Okay. I have to do a swap for a fork, looks like.
Where did you want the knife?
I'm putting it in the kitchen. Be careful. I do not recommend anyone else out there to do something like that. What?
Not mixing stuff in my room.
I'm not. Okay. Was he mixing stuff in your room? Was he? It's just the fork. Actually, I don't even need the fork. Look, he's not even thinking straight. It's the perfect time to take advantage of the situation, huh? Oh. Put a little more sugar in there. Just a little bit. That's good. Put the rest in the... Let's get the water. This one drink with the lemon and the goji berry acai berry, I don't like adding carrageenan to it unless I was using, let's say, non-dairy milk substitute like brown rice milk powder or soy milk powder in addition to those ingredients. Then maybe I would add the carrageenan. Otherwise, it's too thin. It'll get clumpy or something. See how long it took him? It took him 8 minutes just to make that one cup. If he didn't say anything about it, he would have not had to deal with us. But he said something about it. So now he has to deal with us. Yeah. So... Doesn't it look a little funny that our motion sensors on our auto detection system looks like he's in the we see him walking around his house and from room to room. Doesn't it? Oh my god! Oh, must be something to check up on, huh? Okay, yeah. Look. Okay, now it's time to. Now it gives us the opportunity since we can. Since he's living currently temporarily with his mother. Well, if he didn't say anything, we wouldn't have known that, right? Okay. And that's why we don't do trace routes in our level of department, so that we can give people that option, huh? Works very well together. Ugh. Is there anything calm now in the video? Is he calmed down? Damn. It's all BS. I'll tell you. Oh yeah. the two previous recordings I did this morning about what I was talking about, where it's like people confusing their workplace policy with their job, what they are granted to do as their position at work versus, let's say, where they may have an addiction to their job and, try to do that beyond the scope of their workplace policy or workplace. There are some people who sometimes do things like that. And I'm relating it to like everything I was just talking about. Where, I think that they took the definition of orthorexia and went beyond the scope of, let's say, a workplace and ended up into, let's say, the general public or something. As some part of that,